Hello, today's miniature tutorial is about making a miniature coconut, and here are the materials that you need. Take your scrub clay and condition it very well. I suggest to just use a scrub clay in making the whole coconut because this will save us from using the new clay. Make a 10 mm ball from it and pre-bake for 5 minutes and let it cool. Take your light brown clay and condition it really well. Then take the pre-baked clay and cover every surface with the brown clay, and also remove any excess clay. Add texture to the coconut shell by using anything with a pointy edge like a felt needle or a cocktail stick. And then create the short line pattern that goes on the same direction like what you can see on the video. Add 3 shallow holes on the top of the coconut and add more lines around it after to make it even. Bake it completely and let it cool. To make the leftover husk on the coconut, I used a sisal twine. This is an organic twine that can be mostly seen in the gardening section. So I cut the twine around 5 to 7 millimeter long, and then I separated the strand from each other. Take your completely baked coconut and apply glue all around. Cover the whole coconut with the sisal twine. If you see a lot of strands sticking out, do not worry about it because we will trim them out later once the glue is dry. Paint the sisal twine with the brown acrylic paint to make it look darker. To make the half coconut, take your white clay and roll and flatten it about 2 millimeter thick. I then used a cookie cutter to cut the clay, but this is only optional. If you don't have a small round cookie cutter, then you don't have to use it, simply use your X-Acto knife. To shape the coconut meat, I used a Fimo sculpting tool and I am using the medium one. So I don't know if they have any other sizes, but so far these are the only 3 I could find in our craft store. Take the white clay and cover the round metal part of the sculpting tool. Using a blade, slice the edge so you will have a clean dome. Do not slice it perfectly. You want to have an uneven corner like in the picture above. Using the same blade, make small lines around the coconut meat. Make 2 coconut halves and pre-bake them and let it cool. Using the same technique we did with the whole coconut, we are going to cover the white clay with the brown clay. Place the brown clay on top of the white clay and spread it to cover the whole back. Remove any excess clay if necessary. Follow the same step you did with the whole coconut and don't forget to paint the husk with a watered down acrylic paint. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial and don't miss the next tutorial on Saturday. Don't forget to click subscribe and get notified for new videos. Bye bye and see you next Saturday.